Hello everyone, this is Mango from Silumada. Nice to meet you. Our Silumada is a professional machinery exporting company in this field for almost 15 years. And today, glad to have a chance to visit the biggest dealer of CAT and SEM in our China. And now I will show you more about the upgrade excavator CAT 340. The upgrade model uses CAT C9.3B Type 4 engine. The net power is 258 kW. Engine power increased 10% than before, achieves outstanding production levels in its class. Let's see the bucket. CAT 340 uses the 2.38 cubic meters lock bucket and equips strong teeth, which can be used with pretty hard materials. And if you match quick coupling, you can change different attachments in the shortest time, such as hammer, hydraulic lock drill, grabber, and so on. Besides, CAT 340 uses the larger and wider chassis systems and increase the weight for the machines. Because of this, it can be attached with more large attachments and can adapt to the list of more working conditions. Now let's see the inside of the cab. CAT 340 uses the standard L suspension seat. Automatic climate control system and easy-to-reach joystick and control panel, which allows operator to work comfortably and efficiently throughout the operation. Besides, I want to share some other important information with you. CAT 340's operating weight is 38,500 kg. The boom length is 6.5 meters. The arm length is 3.2 meters. This mining excavator's digging depth is 7,510 millimeters. Track shoe width is 600 millimeters. As we all know, CAT machine's price is the highest in this field, but the quality is also the best. Purchasing a CAT machine can save your maintenance time and cost. If you are looking for CAT machinery, please don't hesitate to contact me.